Hello, welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. Two converging tangents have azimuth of 300 degrees and 90 degrees respectively, while that of a common tangent is 320 degrees. The distance from the point of intersection of the tangents of the PI of the second curve is 100 meters, while the stationing of the PI of the first curve is 10 plus 432.24. If the radius of the first curve is 285.40, question A, determine the radius of the second curve. Question B is determine the stationing of the PRC. And question C, determine the stationing of PT. Okay, so first is check natin kung parallel. So in this problem is hindi, dahil yung ating tangent is converging. So i-layout muna natin or illustrate natin yung ating problem. So meron tayong azimuth na 300 and 90 para sa two converging tangents. As you can see, ito yung ating kung i-layout natin yung azimuth natin. So dito, ating first point. So let's say from north papunta dyan is yan yung ating 300 degrees. And then yung ating susunod na yung ating susunod na tangent is ito 90 degrees naman, which is nandito sa plane na yan. So kaya itong angle na to sa ating illustration, ayan, yan ay 30 degrees dahil ito 90 ay 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 yan. And then ang natira na lang is yung ating 30 degrees. Kaya ayan. So na-layout na natin yung dalawang tangent, yung converging. Now, let's lay out naman yung ating common tangent. Sabi, yung common tangent is 320 degrees. So, yung common tangent natin is nandito. So, let's say ito. Yung ating common tangent. Then, pag umikot tayo dyan, so magkaka-layout tayo. Ayan, yan yung ating layout. So, ikot tayo dahil azimuth. Punta dyan. So, yan ay 320. So, ganun pa rin. Meron pa rin tayong 90, 90, 90. So, 270 degrees yan. So, 320 minus 320 degrees is, ang matitira na lang para sa ating angle dito ay 50 degrees. Ayan. So, next is yung ating distance from the point of intersection is 100 meters. Ayan. So, yung ating from this point, yung ating PI to the PT, ayan, is 100 meters. While yung stationing natin sa PI is ito, sa point of intersection ng first curve daw. Ito kasi yung point of intersection ng first curve is 10 plus 432.34. So for the first question, determine the radius of the second curve. So dahil given yung ating radius ng ating first curve, is ang magiging diskarte natin is let's first determine yung mga ating mga central angle, yung I2, yung I1. Ayan. So as you can see dito, paano naman to naging 60? So as you can see, pag pinlat natin to, in straight line natin to from this point, yung maging malaking triangle. So natin. So ayan, continue natin yung malaking triangle na yan. So ito ay 30, 60. So, kasi ito ay magiging 90 degrees. So, matitira na lang dito para sa angle na to ay 60 degrees. So, when we compute naman this angle, so, ito is 30 degrees din. So, kaparehas nitong ating angle dito. So, let's say ito ay 30 degrees. Ayan. Palitan natin. Ito ay 90 degrees pa rin. So, ito, dito muna tayo sa I2. Paano nakuha yan? So, itong ating angle sa ating common tangent, so yan ay pagka-converging is equal yan dito. So, as you can see naman, yung ating point of intersection dyan sa ating P2, meron yung angle of central angle na 50, kaya ito rin yan. Para sa ating mga, parang sa ating simple curve, di ba? So, let's say ito is I2 na rin. So, ito ay magiging 50 degrees. And then, therefore, ito ay 50 degrees. Ngayon, yung ating angle of intersection from the first curve, ito, is yan pa rin yun, from the PC to point of reverse curve. So, yung ating point of reverse curve, ayan, from this point, from PC to PRC, so yan yung ating I1. So, yan ay unknown. So, pero, dahil meron na tayong angle ng 30 dito, tsaka 50, is madali na natin siyang makukuha. So, lista natin yung ating mga naging given. So, for R1, meron tayong given na 285.40 meters. For I2 is meron tayong 50 degrees. For I1, meron tayong 50 degrees minus 30 degrees. So, meron na lang tayong 20 degrees. So, ngayon is pwede nating masolve yung ating common tangent. So, meron tayong common tangent kasi dito, yung A to B. So, given yung ating triangle or yung ating angle dito, itong triangle na to. So, lagyan ko lang. So, itong triangle na ito. Ayan. Yan, yung triangle na yan. So, meron tayong, repeat ko lang. So, meron tayong angle dyan na 30. And then, yung I1 natin is also this. So, I1 din yan. Ating palitan yan ng I1. So, meron tayong 30. Opposite side niya yung AB. So, gamit na lang tayo ng sine law. So, meron tayong AB. Lang natin. So, AB over yung ating sine 30. Ayan, kasi ito yung opposite side niya. Ayan, 30 degrees equals, so yung given natin is ito, yung 100 meters, and then opposite angle niya is 20. We can say na 100 over sine 20. Therefore, yung ating common tangent equals, meron tayong 100 sine 30 over sine 20. So, meron tayong 146.19 meters. Pwede natin yan i-store sa A para mga sakto yung sagot natin. Shift store A. Ayan. Then, common tangent pa lang. So, kasi ang hinahanap natin is radius of the second curve. So, for our first question, ating radius of second curve. Ayan. So, ang papadaanin natin, dahil ang given natin is mga tangent, so pwede nating punin yung formula natin sa tangent. So, remember yung ating formula ng T is equal to R. Tapos, yung ating tangent I over 2. So, kunin muna natin yung ating first tangent para makuha natin yung ating main formula. Remember, yung ating common tangent is equal to T1 plus T2. So, dito, meron pa lang tayong common tangent. So, yung T sub 1, masosolve natin. Or T sub 2 pala. T sub 1. Kasi T sub 1 pala yung given. R sub 1 yung given. Ayan. So, dito ay T sub 1 yung masosolve natin. Ayan, makukuha natin yung T sub 2 and then later on, makukuha natin si radius. So, let's compute yung t sub 1. Palitan lang natin to. Gawin natin t sub 1 equals r sub 1 tangent ng I sub 1 over 2. Meron tayong radius ng r sub 1 na 285.40 tangent. So, yung ating I sub 1 is 20 degrees over 2. Therefore, meron tayong t sub 1 equals, so, 285.4 tangent ng 10 degrees. Ayan. So, meron tayong 50.324. So, 50.324 meters. So, store natin to sa B. Store B. Ngayon, is next step natin is gamitin natin yung relationship na to. Common tangent equals t sub 1 plus t sub 2. So, meron tayong common tangent equals t sub 1 plus t sub 2. So, yung ating AB equals t sub 1 plus t sub 2. But yung AB natin, in-store natin yan sa A, and then yung B natin, yung t sub 1 natin nakastore sa B. So, meron tayong value ni t sub 2 equals, so meron tayong A minus B na lang. Ayan. So, meron tayong 95.866 meters. Store din natin to sa C. So, shift, store C. Then, meron na tayong t sub 2. So, therefore, gamitin uli natin yung ating tangent formula. So, t sub 2 equals r sub 2 tapos tangent ng I sub 2 over 2. So, meron tayong C, yung nakasave natin sa C. Yan. Equals yung ating r sub 2. Yung r sub 2 natin ay yan yung hinahanap. So, r sub 2 then tangent ng ating I sub 2 is 50 degrees. So, 25 na lang lagay ko. Therefore, meron tayong r sub 2 equals, meron tayong C equals yung ating X tangent ng 25. So, shift calc natin, and then, so, meron tayong 205.586. So, yan yung ating final answer para sa first question. 205.586 meters. Ayan. Kita nyo? So, kung nanggaling tayo from this relationship, from sine law, tas common tangent, then yung ating tangent, formula, so, into radius. So, first question pa lang yan. So, for our second question, yung ating stationing ng PRC, so, check natin, may mga binigay ba na given, kung anong gagamitin natin, kung angle. So, pwede naman. But, ang gamitin natin ngayon, this time, is gamitin natin yung isang formula natin ng ating length of curve. So, you remember yung ating formula for question number 2, ating station of PRC or point of reverse curve. So, from this point, papunta dyan sa ating line na ito. Okay. So, yung ating PC, ano bang ating given? Ating PI ng first curve, then papunta sa ating PRC. Okay. So, first is, let's write the formula ng ating length of curve equals yung ating 20I over D. So, meron tayong makukuha na length of curve, but wala pa tayong degree of curve. So, for the degree of curve is pwede nating gamitin yung ating isang formula. Remember yung ating R equals 1145.916 over yung ating degree of curve. Remember? So, meron naman tayong radius na binigay. So, makuha na natin si D. So, kunin muna natin si D. Meron tayong R1 equals 1145.916 over yung ating D1. So, meron tayong D1 equals yung ating 1145.916 over yung ating R1. Ang given is 285.40. Meron tayong 285.40. Yung ating degree of curve equals so 1145.916 over 285.4. Meron tayong 4.015 ating degree of curve. And after that is pwede natin kunin din yung pangalawa. Okay. Let's solve yung ating R sub 2. So meron tayong 1145.916 over yung ating D2 naman. So therefore, meron tayong D2 equals 1145.916 over ating radius 2 ay 285.586 or 205.586 equals natin na istorya na. At anyway, meron pa hindi na. Pwede natin na store. So tuloy na lang natin 1145.916 over 205.586. Meron tayong D equals 10. D equals 5.574. 574. Ayan. So, dahil may D na tayo, let's solve yung ating LC1. So, meron tayong 20. So, yung I natin is I1. Okay, lagay natin. Formula D1. So, meron tayong 20. Then, yung ating I1 is 20 degrees over degree of curve natin na 4.01. So, pwede natin i-store. Wag na, hindi naman na-store kanina eh. So, gamitin na lang natin yung 4.015. Ayan. So, meron tayong 20 by 20 over 4.015. Meron tayong 99.626. Ayan. So, 99.626 meters. Then, for LC2 naman, so meron tayong 20 I2 over D2 equals 20. I2 natin ay 50 degrees over yung ating 5.574. Meron tayong 20 by 50 over 5.574. So, meron tayong 179.404 meters. Ayan. To get yung ating station sa PRC, ay ang gagawin natin is from this point, diba? Nasa tayo PI. So, minus natin yung ating tangent 1 or yung ating tangent sa first curve natin, and then i-add natin yung ating PC or yung ating length of curve 1. So, from PC plus yung ating length of curve 1. So, ang magiging process natin, so, solve natin. So, station at PRC. So, meron tayong station at PI 1. Lagay natin. minus natin yung ating tangent 1. Ayan. So, nandito tayo. Minus natin, paakyat tayo dito, and then i-add natin yung length of the curve. So, meron tayong additional, i-add natin, plus yung ating LC1. Therefore, meron tayong 10 point, so 10,434.24 minus yung ating T sub 1. Ang T sub 1 natin ay 50.324. Ayan. 50.324 plus yung ating LC1 na 99.626. So, yung ating station at PRC equals yung 10,434.24 minus 50.324 plus 99.626. Ayan. So, meron tayong 10 plus 483.542. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, kita. So, repeat ko lang. From this point, yung ating point of intersection, minus natin yung T1, and then i-add natin yung ating length of the curve sa ating unang curve. So, for our next question, yung ating determine the stationing of PT. So, kaya kinumpit na natin yung LC2 is from PRC, yung ating point of intersection, i-add na lang natin yung length of curve 2 para makupunta tayo doon sa PT. So, meron tayong third question, station at PT. So, equal yan sa station at PRC plus natin yung length of curve 2. Meron tayong 10 plus 483.542 plus natin yung ating LC2 na 179.4044 meters. So, meron tayong final answer. Plus lang natin yung 179.404. So, meron tayong 10 plus 662.946. Ayan. And this will be our final answer. So, recap lang natin yung ating mga naging sagot. So, for our first question, yung ating radius of the second curve is 205.586. And then for our next question, station at PRC is 10 plus 483.542. And for our last question, station at PT is 10 plus 662.946. And that's all. And thank you for watching.